Opening scene. High-energy music plays as the camera zooms in on Mr. Animal standing in front of a large warehouse. Mr. Animal, what's up, guys? Today, we're doing something crazy. We're going to learn all about lithium, the lightest metal on the planet. And we're not just talking about it, we're going to put it through some insane challenges. But first, let me introduce my team. Cut to Brett and Bradley, waving enthusiastically. Brett, hey, everyone. Today, we're going to show you why lithium is the real MVP of the periodic table, Bradley, and we're going to do it in the most epic way possible. Trust me, you don't want to miss this, Mr. Animal. Let's get started with a little background. Lithium was discovered in 1817 by Johann August Arfvedson. He found it in a mineral called petalite, but what's really wild is that lithium is so light, it can float on oil. But don't just take my word for it, let's see it in action. Cut to a large tank filled with oil. Mr. Animal drops a chunk of lithium into the tank, and it floats on the surface. Mr. Animal, look at that! Floating like it owns the place. But that's just the beginning. Did you know lithium is used in batteries? Like the ones in your phone, laptop, and even electric cars. Let's see how powerful these batteries really are. Cut to a setup with various gadgets powered by lithium-ion batteries. Bradley holds up a giant battery pack. Bradley, we've got a bunch of gadgets here. We're going to see how many devices we can power up with just this one lithium-ion battery. Montage of the team plugging in devices, phones, laptops, drones, even a small electric car into the battery pack. Everything powers up without a hitch. Brett, this battery is an animal. It's like the Energizer Bunny on steroids. Mr. Animal, and it doesn't stop there. Lithium is also used in medicine. It's a key ingredient in treatments for bipolar disorder. So, it's not just powering your tech, it's helping people stay healthy. Bradley, but wait, there's more. Lithium is also used in making glass and ceramics. It helps make them stronger and more heat resistant. Cut to a scene with Brett holding a glass made with lithium oxide. He throws it, and it bounces on a padded floor without breaking. Brett, this glass is tough. Just like me after hitting the gym, Mr. Animal. Now, for the grand finale, we're going to do something extreme. We're going to see what happens when lithium meets water. Spoiler, it's going to be explosive. Cut to an outdoor setup with a safety perimeter. The team, wearing protective gear, drops a small piece of lithium into a large container of water. The lithium reacts vigorously, producing hydrogen gas and a big splash. Mr. Animal, boom! That's why you don't drop your phone in the pool if it's got a lithium battery. Just kidding, it's safe, but don't try this at home. Cut back to the main warehouse. Mr. Animal, so there you have it, guys. Lithium is lightweight, powerful, and incredibly versatile. It's in your gadgets, it's helping in medicine, and it's making materials tougher. If you enjoyed this episode and learned something new, smash that like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what other elements you want us to explore next. Brett, and don't forget to hit the bell so you never miss an episode. We've got more epic science coming your way. Bradley, see you next time, and remember, stay curious and stay awesome. Closing scene, the team waves as the screen fades to black and the upbeat music plays again. Mr. Animal voiceover, thanks for watching, and remember, knowledge is power.